You're watching how to view Wi-Fi password on Android phone. This requires a phone running Android 10 or higher, and you must be already connected to the network or have previously connected to it. Open the Settings app on your Android phone, tap Network and Internet or Connections, then select Wi-Fi. You will see a list of available and saved networks. Find the network whose password you want to view and tap on its name. If you are currently connected, it will show network details. If not, you may need to tap Saved Networks first. On the network details page, look for a share button or QR code icon. Tap share or the QR code. You will be prompted to authenticate using your fingerprint, PIN, or pattern for security. After authentication, a QR code will appear on the screen along with the network's password written in plain text below the QR code. You can now read the password directly. If you don't see a share option, your phone's manufacturer may have a different method. Another way is to use a File Explorer app with root access, but that is more complex and requires a rooted device. For most users, the share QR code method is the simplest. You can also use this QR code to let another device connect by scanning it with their camera. Remember, you can only view passwords for networks your phone has saved. You cannot view passwords for networks you have never connected to. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.